There is a secret hidden in the very heart of our reality. It isn't buried in an ancient tomb or locked in a government vault. It is a number, 137. If you ask the world's greatest physicists what keeps them awake at night, they won't tell you about black holes or time travel. They will tell you about this three-digit mystery. Richard Feynman called it the greatest damn mystery of physics, a magic number that comes to us with no understanding by man. Why 137? Because if this number were even 1% different, the universe as we know it would vanish in an instant. To understand the secret of 137, we have to look at what scientists call the fine structure constant, or alpha. Most numbers in science come with labels, meters, seconds, or kilograms, but alpha is different. It is dimensionless. It is a pure ratio. It doesn't matter if you're measuring in inches on Earth or in light years on the edge of the Andromeda galaxy. The result is always the same, approximately 1 over 137. This is what haunts the halls of modern physics. It is a number that appears to be baked into the universe. It isn't a human invention, it is a universal constant. It's as if we opened the source code of reality and found a single unexplained constant that makes the whole program run. But the question that remains unanswered is, why this specific value? The secret deepens when you see how alpha is constructed. It is a mathematical marriage of the three most important pillars of physics. First, the charge of the electron, the foundation of chemistry. Second, the speed of light, the ultimate speed limit of the cosmos. And third, Planck's constant, the core of quantum mechanics. When you put these three together, they vanish into a single number, 1 over 137. It is the bridge between the small and the large. It is the signature of how light interacts with matter. Without this specific ratio, electrons wouldn't stay in their orbits around atoms. They would fly away or collapse into the nucleus. Without 137, there would be no solid matter, no planets, no water, no you. We are standing on a mathematical knife edge. This is the fine-tuning problem. If alpha were slightly larger, say 136, stars would burn out their fuel so fast that life would never have time to evolve. If it were 138, stars would never be hot enough to create carbon, and since we are carbon-based life forms, our existence would be impossible. Every atom in your body, every breath you take is permitted only because this number is exactly what it is. Scientists have tried to find a reason, a deeper law that dictates why alpha must be 137, but they have found nothing. It appears to be an arbitrary choice made by the universe itself. This has led some of the most sober scientists in the world to ask a terrifying question. Is the universe a simulation? Is 137 just a variable set by a cosmic programmer? The obsession with 137 has driven geniuses to the brink of insanity. Wolfgang Pauli, the pioneer of quantum mechanics, spent his final days in a hospital room numbered 137, convinced the universe was closing a circle. Max Born believed that the entire structure of the universe was contained within this ratio. Today, the mystery has only grown. We are using the most powerful telescopes and the most precise atomic clocks to see if alpha is changing. Is it the same everywhere in the universe? Does it change over billions of years? So far, the answer seems to be no. It is a constant sentinel, a mathematical guardrail that ensures the universe remains stable enough for us to exist within it. The secret of 137 is the ultimate challenge for the next generation of scientists. If we can ever figure out why alpha is 137, we will have found the key to the theory of everything. We will finally understand how the laws of nature were written. Until then, 137 remains a silent message from the cosmos, a reminder that we live in a universe that is not just mysterious, but profoundly mathematically perfect. The code is right in front of us. We just need to learn how to read it.
Subscribe my channel for future videos. Thank you.